I was totally immersed to the point of obsession with learning about relationships. How do you build them stronger? How do you make them better? Because I figured out it's kind of like we have this glass ceiling behind us where we think that we cannot succeed more than where we are at. We want to, but we think that we can't. And a lot of times, once you get the support you need, that's when you can break the ceiling. To make it simple, your relationship with your spouse will determine how successful your business is. And if you're stuck, if you plateaued on your growth, there's a really good chance that you cannot really convey your needs properly with your spouse so that she will support you or he will support you. And by working on your relationship, by making some breakthroughs, you can get to the level where you have energy, leftovers. And that's when you can be generous, when you know that you got your back covered with your family or with your spouse.